Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to apply HLookup formula in Microsoft Excel. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel data here. This is the table of students' marks in different subjects. See, there are marks of students, and in last row, see the total marks here. So we want to apply the lookup formula on this table. See the second table here. In students name cell, we have to make a list of all students names. So to create list in this section, simply select the cell and go to the home tab and click on data here. Select data validation. A pop-up will appear. Select list here, and in source section, select all the students' names, then press enter button. Now see the list has been created here. See the names of students are appear here. Simply select a random name here. In next cell we have to apply the HLookup formula. Select the cell and write equal HLookup. Open the bracket. In HLookup values, select the name cell, press comma, and in table array, select all the above table, press comma, and in row number section, write down the exact location of particular subject. See in the table, computer is in 4th position. So we will write 4 and press comma, and for exact match write 0 and close the bracket. Simply press enter button. See the marks of John. This is 74. Now in total cell we will again write HLookup formula here. Equal HLookup. Open the bracket, and in HLookup value select the name cell, press comma, and in table array select all the table above, press comma, and in row number section write down the exact location of particular subject. See in the table, total is on 7th position, so we will write 7 here and press comma, and for exact match write 0 and close the bracket. Simply press enter button. See the total marks of John. This is 329. Match it with the table. Now change the name in list and results will be updated here. Again change the name and see the results here. So that's it. How to apply HLookup formula in Microsoft Excel. If you have any question regarding the entire process, then please tell me in comment section. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.